You know, David, one of my biggest mistakes that lost me, I think, probably many years was I worked with investors who were much older than me and very brilliant investors, but I thought I had to be like them. I spent hours doing cap table construction and doing all the shit cohort, not shit, but skills of cohort analysis and all the deep work. It's just not me, David. It's not my...
You spent the first half of this podcast telling me why my model sucks because everybody else's model's different, right? And so in some way...
No, your model sucks because you don't have a model.
In some way, I am doing what I believe is my way of building this business. And if everybody else does something else, awesome. I'm not judging them. I hope they're successful. I'm going to do it our way. And I need to be successful to our stakeholders and to myself and our team. I have 3 amazing partners. I have 3 other amazing investors on our team. We're a 7-person investment team. I owe them immense responsibility, just like they owe me, to all of us 7 do great work together. And our job is to return as much capital as we can to our investors. So that's who we work for, but we work in service of the companies that we invest in. And the reason we do this job is because we get to work with people who have dreams and help them achieve those dreams. That's the package.